Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry periodic table, updated. Start by grouping elements into families and noting periodic trends like electronegativity and atomic radius. Break study sessions into short, focused intervals and review actively with flashcards and practice questions. Draw simplified diagrams to visualize groups and periods and teach a friend to reinforce memory. Keep sessions varied and consistent for steady progress and confidence with the table. In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry periodic table, updated. Use flashcards to test element symbols, atomic numbers, and common properties, and practice recalling trends without notes. Create quick prediction drills for electronegativity and ionization energy across periods and down groups. Record yourself explaining why trends occur and play it back to catch weak points. Rotate topics weekly to keep memory fresh and reduce cramming stress while boosting long-term retention. In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry periodic table, updated. Quick recommendation: keep snacks and lunches organized during long study days with leak-proof containers, which make meal prep easy and free up time for review. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more study guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry periodic table, updated. Color coding helps you spot families, blocks, and trends at a glance, so create a clean, consistent key. Practice sketching the table from memory and annotate with trends like atomic radius and electronegativity to deepen connections. Apply these ideas to simple problems about reactivity or bonding, and review errors to target weak areas for follow-up study sessions and steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.